Yo, what's up? I got some new Astroworld pickups for this week, and let's get right into it. So first off, we have the I Love New York Travis tee from the Madison Square Garden show. Next up we have the rare all-white Sicko Mode t-shirt. This one was not released to the public. Next up we have a blank front sweatshirt, but it does have the stars on the sleeve, and on the back you have the tour dates from leg 1 of the tour. Next up we got the short sleeve version of the Enjoy the Ride Travis Scott shirt. Most of the Travis shirts all have this cut tag because it is believed that they are Gildan tees, and he just cuts the tag off and then prints the Astroworld size tag on the inside. Next up we have the blank front Travis tee from leg 2 of the Astroworld tour, with those dates on the back. There are the leg 2 tour dates. Next up we have the another Madison Square Garden Travis Scott New York show t-shirt. This one is in black. Right here is a leg 2 long sleeve tee. There's the logo there on the front. And on the back you got the leg 2 tour dates. This is Astroworld Tour. Then here is a olive green Madison Square Garden t-shirt with the same Statue of Liberty logo. Last but not least is the Astroworld Wish You Were Here tour camo jacket from the first leg. It's more or less a windbreaker, but here you have all the tour dates from the first leg of the tour. And on the back you got No Bystanders in the same red font that was on the bleached t-shirt that I showed in a previous video. Right here we have an overview of each of the items I just showed. Thank you guys for watching, and if you could please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to be notified when I upload more videos. I will have an unboxing next week to show you with even more Travis Scott pieces. So please hit that subscribe button to get notified when I upload that video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next week.